Ano? Ano? Ano yung baby yan? Ano? What? What, baby? How are you? Ay, okay ba? Are you playing? Is it your playtime? Yeah? It's playtime today? What? It's your playtime tonight? Oh, oh, oh. Mm-mm. Smile, you're on camera. Oh, you're so cute. Naku, look at your feet. Let me see, let me see. See, moving. Oh, oh. Only 3 months? And then like that already? Oh, only 3 months old. 7 kilos? Oh, where's your pajama? Wash your feet? What happened? You cut your feet? Did you cut your feet? Why? 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 Oh! Wash your feet again. You cut it. Ah! What happened to your feet? Huh? Are you happy? Are you a good boy? Are you my bujing? Oh, look at your hands. Little hands. Little hands. Why are you very malikot? Very likot, oh. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. Oh. Mahaba. No fit. What happened? What happened? Oh? Hello, Mama Cynthia. Papa Jojo. Papa Billy, I miss you. Tito Pancho. Uncle Ninong Miko, where's my gift? Where's my gift, Tito Miko? Uncle Ninong Miko. Look at me, I'm very big and very long. I'm only 3 months. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. It's my playtime. I have a dimple. Show your dimple. Here, oh. Show your dimple. I have a dimple. There, did you see my dimple? Did you see? Did you see my dimple? No. I love you. Look at my face. Chubby. Shapow. When are you going home? I miss all of you. Papa Biling, I'll see you on December. Tito George's wedding. I will wear barong. I love you all. Bye-bye na, little feet. Wash your feet. No more feet. Good night. I love you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.